Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. We have a lot of weather to talk about, so let's go ahead and get right into it, okay? By 8 this morning, snow showers return to the Cascades, rain returns to the Blues. Snow turns more likely in the Cascades by 10 a.m. as shower chances start for the Kittitas Valley, Yakima Valley, Lower Columbia Basin, and Blue Foothills. By lunchtime, rain chances turn likely for the Kittitas and Yakima Valleys, and we'll hold on to that through 2 p.m. Then by 4 p.m., rain chances turn likely for the Lower Columbia Basin and Blue Foothills, with chances of thundersnow in the mountains and thunderstorms for lower elevations. Then by 6 p.m., starting to transition back to snow in the Blues, and then by 8 p.m., much drier for lower elevations with chances of thunderstorms and thundersnow going down across the map. Then after 10 p.m., rain chances grow likely again in the Kittitas and Yakima Valleys, and we'll hold on to that through the morning on Tuesday, and then really it's going to be after 10 in the morning on Tuesday, in which will be mostly dry again in the Kittitas and Yakima Valleys. And then after 4 p.m., that's when snow chances will finally go down significantly in the Cascades. And then after 10 p.m., it looks like we'll be mostly dry across the map. Finally done with this ordeal. Okay, let's talk about the biggest impact that we're going to see from this storm system from tonight through lunchtime tomorrow. That's going to be the very strong southwesterly wind gusts, gusting upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour in the Cascades, between 50 to 60 miles per hour in the Blues. So it's going to be some very dangerous travel, very difficult travel for high-profile vehicles on U.S. Highway 12, also for U.S. 97 at Sadish Pass, and for Oregon 204 at Tollgate, and for Interstate 84 at Cabbage Hill. In terms of snowfall over the next 24 to 36 hours, maybe 4 to 6 inches for our Cascade passes, definitely much less than that for Blue Mountain passes. And then in terms of rainfall over the same time frame, maybe another 1.5 inches of rainfall up in the Cascades. Okay totals for lower elevations, maybe another 1/2 inch in the Blue Mountains. And remember, we still have that flood warning that's in place for the Umatilla River near Gibbon in Umatilla County. Okay. After Tuesday, looking much drier. There is another storm system into this weekend. Looks like winds could be a factor with that one as well, but not nearly as wet as some of the storm systems we've been dealing with. High temperatures will continue to stay about 5 to 10 degrees above average for the next 7 days, so very comfortable stuff in the Tri-Cities. Here's a 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Rain and storms likely today, drier but stronger winds on Tuesday, then much calmer for the rest of the week. In Yakima, rain likely today, rain less likely tomorrow with wind gusts ramping up, then dry and mild for the rest of the work week. In Ellensburg, rain likely today, a 50-50 chance of rain on Tuesday with stronger winds, then calmer for the rest of the week. In Hermiston, rain and thunderstorms likely today, drier but gustier tomorrow, then a less active stretch of weather for Wednesday and beyond. And then in Walla Walla, rain likely today, less likely but windier tomorrow, then mild and dry for the rest of the work week.